en inglés y español, a totally different flavor.
Alright, spur of the moment type of thing. We went to this place, we're going to this place called the Pearl. So they got alcohol, food, a whole bunch of stuff. The parking is ridiculous, by the way. I'll show y'all right now, but let's go check this place out and see what it's all about. Parking there, all the way over there. And all the way over there too. More over there. Check out that ride to the Pearl. Now, I heard they got a food court, they got a brewery, they got a bunch of like pastry stuff. You can hang out in the open, crazy stuff like that. We're gonna see what they got. Maybe get a brew. I don't know about food. We just have to wait and see. Alright, so stick around. We're gonna play in the water over there, chilling here. They got a bridge right there. I don't know if I'm reading this right, but the food is that way. Okay, so I got this one. This is a Pilsner something. It's not too bad for a craft beer. Not too strong. It's kind of strong, kind of light. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna enjoy this and we'll get back to you. Yo, we're coming up upon my motto, okay? This is crazy. I'm gonna show you right now, watch. Dining destination, but this is the motto. Eat, drink, and discover. Check it out, grill. So far, man, the vibes are pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? It's not hot because it's kind of refreshing right now because it's later in the afternoon. But let's check out some other stuff. Check this out. This looks cool.
At some point, we got it in 2009, so like now it's
cool stuff. We got a hotel right there. Would you look at that? We came across the Riverwalk. Well, part of it anyways. Got a doggy. Check it out. Supper American Eatery. Yo, now at the time of this recording, I don't know if it's prom or graduation, but everybody's taking pictures everywhere we go. everywhere we go taking pictures. You know what I'm saying? But it's cool. But like we've been photo bombing a lot of people, which is not intentional, but it happens. But anyways, let's see if we can find another drink. One more. I'm drinking that.